Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and good. In this video I will show you how to get best tags for your YouTube videos in an easy way. First of all, install Tag You application in your mobile phone. Open this application and click on suggest keywords. Put the title of your video here and then it will give you best tags for your video. And the second option is get tags from URL. You can put any URL of any video you want tags from that video like this.